Greetings and welcome back to my channel. Today, I would like to delve deeper into the concept of manifesting and share some practical tips on how to excel in this practice. Prior to starting, if you haven't done so already, kindly subscribe to our channel and activate notifications to ensure you never miss out on new content. Let us commence by establishing the true essence of manifestation. Essentially, it involves bringing forth your thoughts and desires into tangible reality. This process is founded on the belief that our thoughts and convictions possess the power to shape our experiences and construct our reality. In other words, we attract into our lives that which we channel our energy towards. So how can we excel at manifesting? The answer is simple. We need to alter our mindset and begin thinking and behaving as though we already possess what we desire. This can prove challenging for many individuals, particularly if they harbor limiting beliefs or self-doubt. However, it is crucial to remember that everyone possesses the capacity to manifest. It is merely a matter of transforming our thoughts and beliefs. Rather than becoming ensnared in various manifestation techniques and methods, we should direct our attention towards our own thoughts and beliefs. Each technique aims to assist us in thinking as if we already possess what we desire. So, why not adopt that mindset right now? This entails affirming statements that support our desired outcome and visualizing ourselves already in possession of what we seek. By doing so, we are already engaged in the process of manifestation. One of the most significant obstacles to successful manifestation is self-doubt. We may find ourselves entertaining thoughts such as, "This won't work for me," or "Manifesting is too arduous." However, it is imperative to comprehend that the law of attraction is continuously operational, regardless of whether we consciously strive to manifest or not. Every thought we harbor shapes our reality. Thus, if we continually entertain negative thoughts or doubt our ability to manifest, that is precisely what we will experience. Let us consider an example. Suppose we endeavor to manifest a new job, yet we continuously think, "I will never find a good job," or "I lack the qualifications for desirable employment." These negative thoughts fabricate a reality in which we are unable to secure a good job or feel inadequately qualified. Conversely, if we begin thinking, "I possess the qualifications for a fantastic job," or "I am deserving of a fulfilling career," we initiate the creation of a reality in which we do secure a great job. It is crucial to recognize that manifestation is not about controlling every aspect of our lives. Rather, it entails aligning our thoughts and beliefs with our desires and then allowing the universe to orchestrate their manifestation in its own timing and manner. This necessitates placing trust in the process and having faith that what we yearn for will materialize at the appropriate moment and in the most suitable way. Elevating our vibration stands as a critical aspect of manifestation, as our energy level of vibration is directly linked to our ability to attract positive experiences. Our vibration is determined by our thoughts, emotions, and actions. When we feel good and radiate positivity, our vibration is high, heightening the likelihood of attracting positive experiences. Conversely, when we harbor negativity and sink into despondency, our vibration decreases, making us more prone to attracting negative encounters. Numerous methods exist for raising our vibration and enhancing our manifestation capabilities. Spending time in nature represents one such approach. Nature possesses a calming influence on the mind and body, fostering relaxation, which in turn nurtures positive thoughts and emotions, consequently elevating our vibration. Another means of elevating our vibration involves cultivating gratitude. Gratitude entails recognizing and appreciating the blessings in our lives. By focusing on that for which we are grateful, we redirect our attention from lack to abundance, fostering a positive and optimistic mindset that elevates our vibration. You may choose to compile a daily list of things for which you are grateful. These could be as simple as relishing a delectable meal, luxuriating in a cozy bed, or cherishing a true and humorous friend. By directing our focus towards the positive aspects of our lives, we begin to attract more positive encounters. Additionally, immersing ourselves in uplifting music aids in raising our vibration. Music possesses a profound impact on our emotions and can invigorate us, infusing us with positivity. Select music that elicits feelings of joy and energy, and listen to it whenever you require a surge of positive vibrations. Allow us to explore some examples to illustrate this point. Suppose our desire is to manifest a romantic partner. Instead of fixating on the actions we believe we need to undertake to encounter such an individual, we should shift our attention to our thoughts and beliefs. We can start envisioning ourselves engaged in dates, sharing laughter, and experiencing intimate moments. By doing so, we align our energy with the frequency of love, consequently attracting love into our lives. Alternatively, let us consider a scenario where we wish to manifest greater financial abundance. Instead of fixating on the details of how we will amass more money or attempting to micromanage our financial circumstances, we should shift our focus to our thoughts and beliefs. We can begin thinking and behaving as though we are already financially abundant, visualizing ourselves enjoying the luxuries that wealth affords, such as traveling the world, acquiring our dream home, or making charitable contributions. In doing so, we align our energy with abundance, subsequently attracting greater wealth into our lives. Trusting the universe constitutes an essential element of the manifestation process. Trusting the universe involves releasing any attachment to the outcome. Clinging to specific expectations creates resistance, hindering the manifestation of our desires. Instead, we must surrender and trust that the universe comprehends what is best for us. Having faith that what we desire is en route necessitates trusting the universe, which may prove challenging, particularly for individuals who have experienced disappointment or setbacks in the past. Nevertheless, faith involves believing in the possibility of our desires, even when we lack tangible evidence. Trusting the universe also encompasses trusting that everything occurs for our highest good. This necessitates shifting our perspective, viewing challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning, rather than as obstacles. At times, the universe may need to eliminate certain elements from our lives to make room for that which we genuinely desire. Trusting the universe does not imply inaction. It entails taking steps towards our desired outcome, while relinquishing attachment to specific outcomes. By trusting the universe, we open ourselves up to boundless possibilities and opportunities that we may not have previously considered. Allow us to present an illustration. Suppose you have set an intention to manifest a new job. You have visualized, believed, and taken action by updating your resume, networking, and applying for positions. However, after a few weeks, you have yet to receive any responses from potential employers. Discouragement begins to settle in, and doubts regarding the realization of your manifestation arise. This is when trusting the universe becomes crucial. Instead of giving up or attempting to force the outcome, you must surrender and trust that the universe operates behind the scenes, diligently working to bring forth the ideal opportunity at the perfect time. Manifestation is a potent tool that empowers us to create the reality we desire. It centers on transforming our mindset and directing our energy towards our desires, rather than fixating on what we lack. By altering our thoughts and beliefs, we commence the process of attracting what we long for into our lives. Remember, manifestation does not entail controlling every aspect of our existence. Rather, it involves aligning ourselves with the energetic frequency of our desires and trusting that the universe will manifest them in due course, according to its divine timing and method. Thank you for watching, and I sincerely hope that these insights prove invaluable on your personal journey of manifestation.